Want to take your hot dogs to the next level? This homemade hot dog seasoning takes only 5 minutes, is easy, and is full of bold, smoky flavor. You'll find all the ingredients, measurements, and directions in the description. Start with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika as the rich base of your seasoning blend. Then, add 2 teaspoons of fine salt, 1½ teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1½ teaspoons of ground white pepper. To add more flavor, go ahead with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Now, add 3/4 teaspoon of mustard powder, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, and half a teaspoon of ground mace. You can now toss in half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground celery seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for that nice, heaty kick. Give all these ingredients a good mix using either a small whisk or a spoon. Stir until everything is perfectly combined until all those flavors come together beautifully. And just like that, your homemade hot dog seasoning is ready. This batch is perfect for seasoning 2 to 3 pounds of meat, making it super convenient for your next hot dog or sausage feast. If you're making this ahead or have any leftover seasoning, simply store it in a well-fitting container and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months.